Well, a credit union is a different kind of organization. And I think the opportunity for members and employees to work together, we're members together in the credit union, and we're working together today for the community on behalf of Shalom Farms, which does such great work in the community, providing affordable, fresh food to people who need it.
At the end of the day, we just believe everybody deserves the support to eat healthy food and live a healthy life, and so we rely on folks like you all to help us make that work possible. We feel very lucky to be able to do that work and very lucky to have friends and partners like Virginia Credit Union making that possible.
The main goal is to prepare to expand into our north field, which is 2 acres, and will allow us to triple our growing capacity. This year we're hoping to reach 15,000 pounds of produce, but next year we hope to grow over 50,000. Which is quite the leap, and without the support of Virginia Credit Union, we wouldn't be ready to make it.
And honestly, our members are great. We put out the call for our members. We sent an email that said, hey, volunteer with us at Shalom Farms. In a couple of hours, those 100 slots were full.
Happy that I'm affiliated with an organization that would do community service projects or help sponsor community service projects like this.
Kind of like meeting new people. It's just like the awkward silence in the beginning, but once someone starts talking, everybody just starts talking.
Being able to speak to members, hear their stories, knowing that they like to give back and do these community events are very helpful. It kind of helps us know that we are making an impact to the community.
Just working together and just to get a job done that's going to help the community, that's what it's all about.
When I think about a credit union, I think about a cooperative organization where members and employees work together to help people be more financially sound. It's a lot like what we're doing today, where we're working on behalf of Shalom Farms and we're helping other members of the community be healthier.
Being able to provide to those who are less fortunate is something that I think is really important and special, and so I definitely wanted to come and help out today.
My dad always told me if I ever had the choice or the chance to help someone, I should always do it.
I'm glad Virginia Credit Union is paving the way, and we're doing that for our members.
I'm so grateful for everyone who came out today from Virginia Credit Union, the staff, the members, my team for helping put it together. I'm so grateful, and thank you very much for helping expand the farm and make it as beautiful and wonderful and productive as it can be.